So why bloggers should be on Pinterest? So blogs are specially made for someone who loves to read, and blogs consist of more than 1,000 words, and people who really loves to read, educate them for the longer time, they are made for blogs, and likewise blogs are made for them. So Pinterest is basically a very strong platforms which prefer long form and evergreen contents like blogs, YouTube and podcast. And bloggers, YouTubers or podcaster can repurpose their long form contents to Pinterest to get more traffics and impressions. So as you guys all know that how backlinking is so important on blogs to get more impressions, linking, more page views, and Google also prefer that. And social media backlinking is one of the strong and crucial part of it. And Pinterest is the one strongest social media platform that gonna give you more page views, and that will be the main source of page views and the impressions on your websites, on your blogs. I have seen and I have worked with a lot of clients who has like more than 50% of their page views, more impressions are from the main source. Number one is the Pinterest. You have to create creative and unique pin designs for your each blog post, and you have to target the keywords, and you need to pin and schedule it. Like there are so many things for Pinterest marketing. If you don't know, you can hire me or you can just get help from me. And this is the thing that you must have in your blogging business. If you are a full-time or if you want to be a full-time bloggers, this is the number one source and the best platform you can have for your marketing strategy. And if your audiences for the blogging business is international and more of like women centric, then you are missing out a lot. If you are still not on Pinterest, then hurry up and sign up to the Pinterest account, Pinterest business account, create the account and start and get go to promote your business over there and your blogs.